All right. Well, we're jumping into week 4, day 2, and we're going to look again at refactoring our to-do app to use the item instances. This part was a little confusing to me. Yesterday, what we did was we created this function to-do item. So this is an instance of a function. So this is a constructor function. We've created this so that we can have multiple to-do items. We can use the new, maybe you'd call it an operator, to create a new item, a new instance of this function. And we also added a method to the prototype of to-do item so that to-do item only, this function, so it's not duplicated across every single to-do item. And this just is used to mark it as complete or not. Guess where I got tripped up was inside of this toggle complete. I removed this and I changed the logic down here to just toggle complete, not using the app. And I guess what happened with this is that if we toggle complete, we still are going to have to call something to then show the to-dos, save the to-dos, and all of that. So what it looks like is we still need a toggle complete on our app, but we just need to use, instead of this inside of here, we're just going to say this or instead of saying complete, we're just going to say toggle complete. So what this is going to look like is we're going to uncomment all this stuff. We still want this, but we still want this to save to-do and show to-dos after we toggle it complete. And so we're going to, instead of all of this, we're just going to say this to-dos index toggle complete. Now, down here, this item to-dos, we're just going to say, we're going to use item checkbox. I'm going to say toggle complete. Here. Because now this is still going to contain all of the app stuff like show and complete and stuff. And we're still now using the item. We're using the method on the instance of the to-do item. So a little bit of clarification there. It didn't really make sense to me, but we're kind of separating these things out. Here's some function that manipulates this item, this object, so it stays over here, and then here is this app function that handles like how we're displaying things. So I think we're going to get more and more into this, and this will definitely be a new area of exploration. But let's see if this works. So we're on week 4, day 1. I think that's right, even though I should have, before I made the changes, copied my code over, but let's do this. I need to make some tea. Need to exercise. Need to go to work. All right, so now if we check off, let's do something like post a video or create day 2 video. We've now done that, and we are going to clear complete. For fun, let's try this. Seemed to work. We can still delete. Test 1. Add. We can still clear. So our update really didn't change anything about the way that this functions, but it has improved the organization. And so tomorrow we're going to look at improved data handling. So excited to check that out. Join us, and we will continue to push this app forward. And today, chase your dreams, do something that you love, and do your best. That's all you can do. Have a great day. Bye-bye.